This is GATE 2015 set 2 EC question number 25. The electric field of a uniform plane electromagnetic wave is E equal to AX plus J4AY e to the power J2 pi into 10 to the power 70 minus 0.2 Z. The polarization is asked. In order to determine that, you need to know if the coefficient of Z here is negative. Same, this is in sinusoidal form and this is in exponential form. This phase information is here. And the angular frequency is this. Similarly, like here, the thing contained inside sine or cos this phase, it becomes the e power j theta. This is the phase information. So in that you have the time varying quantity and the propagation direction. From here you can see it is moving in. First you can analyze it is moving in the z direction, and then you can analyze it is in the plus z direction. So this is it. And if the magnitudes of this Ex and Ey are not same, but their phase difference is 90 degree, as you can see phase difference is 90 degree. Since there is a j term, it gives an anti-clockwise phase of 90 degree, because you know e to the power j theta is a complex number is equal to j. So e to the power j pi by 2 is j. So this is j, it is plus 90, so the difference is 90 degree. So it is also, you can see the magnitude are 1 and 4, so they are not equal since it is ellipse. The type of polarization should be ellipse. Now you need to analyze it in fixing z. So coming to the solution, fix z equal to 0, vary t. So you got Ez comma t as E0 comma t. Now only time is varying. You analyze it in different cases. Case 1, you consider time equal to 0. Then E of 0 comma 0 is Ax hat plus J4Ay cap. So it is here. Let's draw it here. Ay, Ax. The propagation is in Az direction. So it is out of the board. So it was here at t equal to 0, z equal to 0. After that, let t equal to t by 4, omega equal to 2 pi by t, theta equal to omega t equal to pi by 2. J pi by 2 is j, so multiply this with a j, so it becomes minus 4ay cap plus Jax cap. Case 3, t equal to t by 2, omega t equal to pi. So e to the power j pi is nothing but minus 1. So it's in the orgone plane. The 1 and this is theta. 1 angle pi is minus 1 in the orgone plane. So they are nothing but multiplying this vector with this e to the power j theta terms, because there has been 0. So this pi. So if this is pi is minus 1, so Ax cap minus J4Ay cap. So what I want to say here is that if some vector is there and it becomes negative, then what happens is if you multiply it with -1, then it comes here, right? In between, at t by 4, it was plus j ax hat, but y became negative, so it was here. So at t equal to 0 it was here, at t equal to t by 2 it is here, and in between at t by 4 it became y became negative. So this is the sense, so it is rotating in clockwise sense. Your point, your now what you do, you know that plus az cap is the direction of the wave. You point your thumb along this and try to match it, your fingers curl with this sense, that is the clockwise sense. Only your left hand will be able to do that. That is both this condition, that your thumb should be pointing along the direction of the propagation of wave, that is along plus az cap out of the board, and your fingers should be curling in the sense exactly as this, that is in the clockwise direction. So your left hand is the correct hand for this, to identify this polarization, and it is left polarized with the geometry previously identified to be elliptical. So left elliptical polarized is the answer. So the answer is left-handed elliptical polarization. Option D is correct. Thank you.